Uh-oh.
You okay?
Say hey to the people. We out with Chance to get a little baby gym type thing. This is a little sneak peek. You got a car? Police car? Car? Yes, car.
The fun is the other way.
Well, you can't leave with the stuff. You got to come this way. Car. Car. Come on.
There's other rooms. Do you want to check out the other rooms? He going toward the door.
You're not saying bye to you. Come on this way.
You leaving the fun. The fun is the
Look,
other way.
you just started. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Come on, let's go the other way.
You're trying to roll the car. Good job. You're so smart. Don't you run.
Oh, he trying to run.
Don't you run. You got to come this way.
The fun is up, so I want. Let me check out your menu.
No, this is all Melissa and Doug. The stuff that's what I feel like all his toys are gonna be. Yeah, he cook it more like making a mess, but he playing so. Uh-oh.
I hope you don't try to serve me that ice
This is
cream.
cute.
Just threw all over the floor. Get your pepperoni.
Oh, look. Good job. I'm gonna take you in the living room see so you can play a little longer.
Yeah, it's a pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter? Yes, a pizza cutter. Yes. Y'all can see he's very destructive. You know what's that? Oh, look at you! Say hi! That's not a comb, it's a knife. Uh-oh.
Uncle Diapers. Break your butt.
Yeah. He combed his hair with a knife. He loved to comb his hair. Oh, you see him in there? He said hi. He said hi. Chance.
Alright, so we got to put that in the liquid.
Hi. Do you see it?
No. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Get the little house. Is that hi? Oh, you so sweet.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, this little spot is lit, y'all. Come on.
Can you give her some food?
You got a baby? Give her baby. Oh, that's so sweet. That's enough now.
They even got the dog food.
Oh, shoot.
The treats. It's so funny. The little laptop.
This is like
A good nice.
daycare heaven.
Yeah.
Like, this is beautiful. Yes.
Chance, me and the baby definitely still hungry.
Gotta see Shane. Yes, a doggy. Good job. Say woof woof. Dog. Dog. Mwah. You give it a kiss. Dog.
That's a big doggy.
Dog. Dog. Dog.
You wanna go check out some other rooms? Come on. Let's get fireman. Armin. Woo!
Fire Chief, my man.
Endless possibilities.
This is
bud.
beautiful.
Endless possibilities.
Trying to get as much as I can to show y'all. We put
You
a
were just a
video up
chef?
today. A homemaker.
Fireman. Woo!
Tell mama she got that head on back, but stop playing with you.
Firefighter Chance.
Hey, Bobby. Uh-oh. That baby like, get that off of me.
Did you get a picture of him?
Yep.
Shan said, I can't move my arms. I can't move my arms, mama.
Hi, baby.
Caleb.
You up here an awesome firefighter, you know? Okay, somebody take off your home.
Oh, yes. Let's go fix some stuff.
That's a truck.
Here you go on your own.
Construction company. Worker. Tell Belle come holler at you. Tell Belle come holler at you.
And also,
I'm taking this out your back pocket.
What is it? A lawn company?
Oh, like a landscaping?
Yeah.
Let me get his picture. Construction worker. Put it on.
Work zone, buddy.
Bye-bye. Hi, baby Chance.
Chance, put this crap on my
Hi. Look at mommy. Oh, really? You trying to stand up? You going to the bank now? Go ahead to the bank. Go ahead. You going back to the firehouse? Okay, go ahead. Oh, those are cute. You can go back. I guess it's like being a firefighter, y'all. Fire Marshal Bill. Turn around so I can see. They off.
Me took them off already.
Yeah, I know.
Look. Caleb. Look at mommy. Look at me. Chance like, I don't care about any of that.
Y'all get to see a whole vlog of Chance today. Just Chance. I know y'all don't mind. Y'all gonna get an update at the end and y'all get to see us.
Alright, come on.
Let's go to the bank. Put some money in the bank. Go, baby, go. Okay, go ahead.
Come get along. Bring your own bank.
Yes. So they're gonna come to you for the money. Uh-oh.
Like for real.
Come this way, Baba. Look, this way. Follow mommy. Come on.
Look, come on. Come go fishing.
Look, come this way, mommy. Come on. Chance. Come on.
You going fishing.
Come on, Bubby. Chance. Chance.
I caught a fish.
This way. He ready to cry.
Look, come this way. Hey.
You gotta stand up. Bye, you. Oh, he crawling.
There you go. They got a grill.
I'm ready coming in. You stand there, you go. It really used to be like a barn door, y'all.
I told you. Come on.
Wow.
I'll get you a fishing rod.
This is a fishing hole over there. Oh, Melissa and Doug, y'all about to get all of our money. This is what we use for school, but we shop school stuff, but they don't have all this cool stuff. They got the cheap stuff. Melissa and Doug in the school setting.
Hey, look. Pick up your little fish like this.
Go fishing. Yeah, fish.
And then you reel it in.
Fish.
I'm going to have to take you out with chisel.
Blue.
I need to teach you this.
Blue. Purple. Purple fish. 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 Say fish. Fish. That's blue. Yes. Red. Red. That's number 5. Red. Red. Yes. Uh-oh. You fishing? Oh, you better know that fishing rod, baby. Get it. Go ahead. Get them fish. Goddamn sure. Uh-oh. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, they are cute, dude. They are really cute lawnmowers. You fixed it. Uh-oh. Go. Oh, look at him. He cut that grass. Yeah. You start the lawnmower? Don't cut your foot now. Oh, he fancy with the lawnmower. What y'all know about that? Lawnmower dragging him through the lawn.
Runaway lawnmower.
Oh, good job. Uh-oh. Take your time. Take your time. There you go. Oh, uh-oh.
Look, you doing like this.
Look, let mommy show you.
Look at this. See?
That one did the same thing.
Hey, you try. There you
Good job. There you go. Uh-oh.
This one wheel is busted.
I know y'all probably tired of just looking at him just doing it, but this is want to be a vlog. We coming back.
Look, let me show you.
We're trying to come back. We got a plan. We just got to put our plan in action. We'll talk about that when we sit down and discuss. Uh-oh. Yellow. Mommy, look. Red. Green.
Chance, I don't want to put it together. I want to tear it apart.
It'd be so cute when he had for a block. Good job. That's a block. Red. Red.
Green.
Green. Green. Good job. Green. Can you show mommy the blue one? Blue. Good job. Can you show mommy a yellow one? You see yellow? Go show mommy yellow. That's blue. Can you show mommy a yellow one? No? Okay. Uh-oh.
That's a step. Let's step up.
Oh, good job. Yeah, we don't have steps in our house.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Careful. You okay?
You can do that. Try again.
He said nope. Over.
You can do it. There you go. Uh-oh.
What was that?
You hurt your butt? It's okay. That's blue. Blue. Can you go show mommy the yellow one?
I love when you can't say yellow. Oh.
Ball. All right, let's take him home. Take your shoes off, y'all. Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. You don't like that? Okay, okay.
That boy trying to take you out, baby.
That baby don't play no games. You going somewhere else? You want me to get it? Okay.
Got that boy. Try a little over. That was small.
He said, oh, no.
That was just a little smaller. He tried to pick it up. That's the problem.
Yes, he bounced the ball. Yeah. Uh-oh.
You want to try to rock the horse? Come on, let's try to rock the horse. I used to have one in here. At my grandma's house. You want to rock on the horse? Come on. It's a rocking horse.
I'm going to put a clip in here so y'all can see him riding the Power Wheel.
Ready? Let's rock on the horse. You can't stand on him.
He don't want to sit there.
Like this.
He don't like it. He don't want to do it, do you? He like, no.
He like, I don't even know what that is. You just rock it like this.
He running. He made the baby run away. He don't like that.
Let me put it back. Hendrik. We all want to go into this.
You can go in here in a little bit, but you're
Mermaid.
Uh-oh. Is that a green?
Watch that man on though. Ah. Good job. Oh, good throw. Uh-oh, you throw it back in the basket.
You throw one of mine?
Oh, good job.
Good job. Ball? I can't believe you got a walker. I started walking one day and just took off from there. Yeah, get you some more balls.
I like the color. These are more
This little thing is cool back there too.
the little pillows they got. Yo, he went
Nice
through.
little movie.
I guarantee y'all he went through all of these balls out of this pit. That's just what he see. Uh-oh. What's that? Is that a sushi?
It's a horse. You don't like it? It's okay. It's not real. Guess which may ride is unquestionable.
First of all, he never seen it before. He don't know. He never seen that. So smart. Look at him. You better get it, baby. You better get it, baby. Ooh, good job. Help? You got it? You need help? Uh-oh, be careful. Mommy sunk. Good job.